Hello students, I am Deepika Devasmitha Panda and today we will be solving few numericals of chapter 1, that is 3-phase induction motor. We will be doing numericals on sleep and synchronous speed. Today's contents are like solving problems on synchronous speed, solving problems on sleep speed and sleep. Let us start with the first numerical. See, the question is like a 3-phase 460 volt 100 HP 60 Hz 4-pole induction machine delivers rated output power at a sleep of 0.05. This can be also stated as a sleep of 5%. First, let us understand the question very carefully. Obviously, it is a 3-phase machine and the operating voltage of this machine is 460 volt, no doubt. And mark here students, the rated output power is 100 HP. Next data is given 60 Hz, that is the supply frequency, which is denoted by small f. So f is your 60 Hz. Then it is clearly mentioned that 4-pole induction machine. We know the number of pole is denoted as P, and for this question P will be having a value of 4. And lastly, it is clear that the machine delivers rated output power. What is the rated output power here? Obviously 100 HP, and this 100 HP output power is delivered at a sleep of 0.05, or we can say it can be also stated that with a sleep of 5%. Now, what are the values we have to determine? First, we have to determine the synchronous speed. Then, we have to also determine the speed of the motor, or we can say motor speed. Next, we have to calculate the frequency of the rotor circuit, or we can say the frequency of the rotor current. Mind here, there are two frequencies. One is your supply frequency, another is your frequency of rotor current, and obviously both of them are different. Next, lastly, we have to determine the sleep speed. So, first bit we will be solving now. First one is to calculate the synchronous speed. Always remember, synchronous speed is denoted as ns, and the formula for synchronous speed is ns equals 120 f by p, or we can say 120 into frequency by number of pole. So now we will put the values accordingly. Here is your 120. Instead of f frequency value we have taken, that is given in the question as 60 Hz. So you have taken 60 here, and in the denominator we have to put the number of pole value, and here the number of pole P is 4. So the answer is 120 into 60 divided by 4. After solving this, we will get a numeric value as 1800, that is 1800 RPM. Everybody must be clear. Simply by using the formula 120 F by P, we will calculate the synchronous speed. Next, the motor speed is to be evaluated. And listen students, the formula for motor speed N is nothing but Ns whole into 1 minus S. This is the formula. And Ns is nothing but the synchronous speed, which is already calculated in bit A. And here 1 minus S. S is your sleep. And the sleep value is given in the question itself as 0.05. So, by putting the value of Ns as 1800, putting the value of S as 0.05, finally we will be getting the answer as 1710 RPM, that is 1710 RPM. Next, the frequency of the rotor circuit is to be calculated, whose formula is S into F, sleep into system frequency. Sleep value is given as 0.05 and the frequency value is given as 60. So, by multiplying 0.05 and 60, the frequency value will come like 3 Hz. Okay. Next, we have to calculate lastly the sleep speed. And students, the formula for calculating sleep speed is S into Ns. It is very much simple. S is your sleep, which is given in the question, 0.05. Ns is your synchronous speed, which is been already calculated in first bit. So, by multiplying 0.05 and 1800, we will get the answer like 90 RPM. Now, we will go to the next numerical. See the questions everyone. The stator of a 3-phase induction motor has 3 slots per pole per phase. Mind it, 3 slots per pole per phase. And next we will be calculating the number of poles. 3 slots per pole. So total pole will be calculated. Now, if supply frequency is 50 Hz, F value is given here, then we have to calculate first one, to calculate number of stator poles produced and total number of slots on the stator. Secondly, we have to calculate the speed of the rotating stator flux, or simply we can say speed of the magnetic field. Well, the values given are number of slots per pole per phase and frequency value. First bit we have to calculate the number of stator poles and also total number of slots. See, total number of poles will be, here we have 3 slots per pole. Okay, so the formula for total number of poles will be 2 into n. So we will be getting 2 into 3, that is 6 poles. And now total number of slots will be number of slots per pole per phase into number of pole into number of phases. We have 6 poles here, we have 3 phases here. So the total number of slots will be 3 into 6 into 3, which is nothing but 54, which is the total number of slots on the stator. Next, we will calculate the synchronous speed, whose formula is Ns equals 120 F by P. So, by putting frequency value and number of poles value, we will get 1000 RPM. Here, the synchronous speed value will be 1000 RPM. Thank you everyone.